welcome to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you, and also I haven't filmed a sit-down video in a while, so I feel kind of weird. And I'm sorry for that. I've been super busy, so I haven't posted that many videos, but now I want to get back on track and start posting more videos. And I actually already posted one video before this, so yeah. But yeah, happy to be doing the sit-down videos again and talking about sneakers. I have a lot of videos planned, mostly of sneakers, so stay tuned. And also I have a shoe coming in the mail in a few days, which I'm super excited about. I think those are my favorite shoe of 2019. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a video. But yeah, let's get into this video. And yeah, I actually received these shoes quite a while back, but I just haven't had time to make this video. But I'm super happy to be making this video now because this is a funny story, I guess. But yeah, if you want to skip to where I unbox these and show you all the details of these shoes, then I will put in the description where you can skip to that part. But if you want to see how I got these shoes for 195 euros, yes, 195 euros, then keep on watching. But yeah, so these are the Balenciaga Track Trainer 2s, and I'm not a fan of these shoes. If you watch my previous videos, I unboxed my boyfriend's Track Trainer 1s, and I totally love those more than these. And in that video I also said that I don't really like the Track Trainer 2s, and then here I am with Track Trainer 2s. But the only reason I have these is because I got these for 195 euros. Let's say that again, 195 euros. Like what? So yeah, so the story starts from we started talking about track trainers in general, and then when I saw my boyfriend's shoes, I kind of fell in love with them more, and I started looking what pair I want to get to myself. And then I was scrolling through Balenciaga's website, and then all of a sudden I saw these, and then I was looking at the price and I was like, what? 195 euros. Like, what? Then I told my boyfriend, like, what is this? And he's like, order them now. Like, that's a mistake on the website, order them. And I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna order them. And then after that, I ordered them. I paid 195 euros. It went through. I got a confirmation of the order. Then I got a confirmation of the shipment. And then I was like, well, what's happening? Like, I didn't know what was going on. Then I think the next day or next morning, I got an email from Balenciaga that your order has been cancelled and we're sorry for the inconvenience, and it's like there was a mistake or like technical issues, or I don't even know what the word was that they said, but it was kind of like, oh yeah, and it also said you can repurchase what you wanted on the website now, but unfortunately we cancelled your order. And then I was like, yeah, of course you cancelled it, because I paid 195 euros for shoes that cost 675 euros like retail or normally. So then I was like, man, like, why did I do that? That's so unfair. But in a way, yeah, they can do that because that's a huge loss for them, even though it's not really, because I don't think these shoes actually cost more than probably 100 euros to make. Not even that, maybe. But then, of course, there's everything else and blah, blah, blah. But, yeah, then I was kind of sad, but I got over it because I didn't really want these shoes. But I just thought that I could sell them and then make this video, and it would be a funny story. And then I think a week went by, and I totally didn't think about it anymore. And then, Lexi. And then all of a sudden I get a call from UPS, I think, and then they're like, yeah, there's a package for you. I'm like, what? I haven't ordered anything. Then I was like, okay, let's see what we got. And then when he came to the door, I saw that he had a Balenciaga package with him, and I was like, what? And then I immediately scroll through my head. I'm like, oh my god, those are the shoes. But I thought they canceled then and blah, blah, blah. And then I had to open the box because I have to see what the shoes were. And they were the Track Trainer 2s. And then me and my boyfriend thought that, well, yeah, I guess we can keep them or wait if they contact us or whatever. Then I think we waited 2 weeks at least. And they never contacted us, or I never got my money back. And yeah, so now I have the Balenciaga Track Trainer 2s for 195 euros. What a deal. I don't even think, yeah, they would never be on sale that cheap. Like, that's very cheap. Original price 675 euros, and then now 195 euros. But yeah, I'm super amazed. But I won't be keeping these shoes because I don't feel that I will get the use out of them, and I'm not a fan of these shoes. I really like the Track Trainer ones, but these are kind of different, so I'm not a fan. So I'm not going to keep these, but maybe with the money that I get from these, I can buy myself the Track Trainer ones. But no one has been interested yet, so yeah. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So this comes in the gray Balenciaga box, and then the envelopes, or I actually got two because I ordered these as a birthday present, so it doesn't say the price, just a tip if so. Then it has the materials I think this has and stuff like that. And it comes with the gray dust bag, and I think this is a nice size. It's because I have the triple S and they come in a long one, so this is a nice size. And I kind of like the gray, even though I'm not a fan of gray, but yeah, it's a nice gray. Then these were packaged really well. They come in the plastic. Also, they have another pair of laces, white ones. Lexi. Sorry about my cat. Lexi. Lexi's very happy of the shoes as well. So yeah, these are in the white colorway, and also in the website these were from the women's section. When I looked at the men's section, they didn't have the sale price, so yeah. I also think that the mistake on the price is pretty weird because these shoes are retail for 675 euros and not 695, so it would be more obvious that the mistake would be made with one number, but it's actually made with two numbers, so it's really weird. Somebody really didn't know how to code those websites, or then I don't know what happened. But anyway, yeah, and also the message that they sent that you can repurchase, and like, yeah, it didn't make sense because obviously somebody coded the price wrong. But anyway, so yeah, these were only on the women's side and not the men's side, and it was only this colorway and not the other colorways, which is nice because I think this is the nicest colorway. And this is like a white and silver colorway. So yeah. And if you want, I can make a comparison video of the Track Trainer 2s and 1 because these are pretty different. So yeah. So yeah, and on the outsole, yeah, it has holes and mesh. I will show you details later, but it has holes in here. So these are definitely summer shoes, and you can't wear any sock with it because, or you can, but it's gonna show. And yeah, and also track trainers, I'm a size 37, and in the triple S I'm a 36, but my boyfriend is a 41 in both, so one size down from his normal size, which is 42. So yeah, I'm not really sure how his shoe is 41 in both and then mine isn't, but when I tried in Cannes, I tried it on the track trainer ones, and I tried on the 36 and it was way too small, or my toe was touching the end. So yeah, I'm not really sure why it changes on size, but anyway, I would say these are true to size, at least more than the triple S. But yeah, I really suggest you try these on in some store before you buy them, even though if you buy them from online, but still try to go to a store to try these on because they might vary. But yeah, I will show you details when I go through the shoes. I'm not going to be explaining them, or because there isn't much to explain, and you can better see it when you see the shoe. But yeah, this was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also remember to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Lexi, ass. Ja. Lexi. Lexi. Nee. She's trying to get my legs. Nee. I'm making a video here.